welcome back to another video on Third Rock Through My Eyes. This video is going to be the first of a 3-part video series. Now, I'm sure you're on your toes to know the topic for this series video. This topic is going to be the zones of the ocean. Now, before we start, I'm going to make sure you're familiar with the 3 parts of the ocean. They are the daylight zone, the twilight zone, and the midnight zone. This video is going to be about the midnight zone. The midnight zone, what is it? It is a zone of the ocean which starts at around 1000 meters below sea level and goes on till the bottom. This bottom is around 11,000 meters below sea level. Since it is so vast, it covers around 90% of the whole ocean. Though it is so vast, it has quite a number of less animals. This is because of the harsh climates. This harsh climates consist of the water temperature below 2 degrees Celsius and the amount of light, which is practically none. Since there are such harsh climates, there are practically no plants in it. However, there is one single type of coral present in it. It is called the deep sea coral. The deep sea coral, like any other coral, is a plant which is made out of the skeletons of tiny organisms. This deep sea coral is one of the only plants present in it. The animals include the luminescent or neon shark, the giant squid, the eels, and the anglerfish. Now, I wanted to talk about a certain type of animal called the gulper eel. The gulper eel is an eel with a mouth almost half of the size of its body. It gulps down dead bodies that float down from the surface in one single gulp. Seamounts, a type of underwater mountain, is a place where many of these animals reside. Many scientists have always wanted to go there and study it. However, that is very dangerous and very hard to do. This is because the unavailability of the technology. Only 5 submarines have the capability to go down to 6,000 meters below sea level, and only 1 submarine has the capability to go down all the way to the bottom. We people know more about Mars than the surface of the midnight zone. This is a very astonishing fact, and a fact that most scientists want to stop being true by 2025. The Mariana Trench, a C-shaped trench in the Pacific Ocean, is one of the deepest points on Earth. The deepest point on Earth is a single trench present in it. It is called the Challenger Deep. If you attempted to go down the Challenger Deep without a good submarine, the pressure would kill you. The pressure would be more than 4 tons, and to make it more simple, it'll just turn you into jam in a few microseconds. The flatfish, one of the animals which resides at the very, very bottom of the Mariana Trench, was found at the sands at the bottom of the Challenger Deep. This was found by James Cameron, the director of Avatar, who decided to risk his life and go on a submarine to the very bottom of Challenger Deep. This submarine mission, which James Cameron was on, was mighty successful, but he could only spend 4 hours on the bottom, which may sound like a lot, but wasn't nearly enough to study the mysteries which the Challenger Deep beholds. But he did find more than 50 new species, including a whole new type of snailfish, a jumbo octopus, which may sound cute, and it looks like Dumbo the elephant due to the size of its ears. This Dumbo octopus may sound cute, but it swallows its prey alive and whole. Another type of octopus he found was the telescope octopus, which was an octopus much more transparent than even the transparent frogs in the Amazon. Another discovery of his was few certain properties of the anglerfish light on its head. Now, with these facts, I would like to conclude my video and keep on the lookout for the rest 2 videos.